Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Visuals. My name's Kumi and on this channel we'll talk about everything photo, video and automotive related. A little while ago, my GoPro HERO 10 was delivered, so today I'll be walking you guys through the unboxing and also the setup process. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you push that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified of any future videos I post. Let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so here we go. To give you guys a bit of a point of view, I've got my old GoPro HERO 5 attached, so hopefully this turns out okay. Alright, so we've got the GoPro packaging. There was a 32 gig SD card in there as well, which is kind of cool. Okay, and then we'll slide this out. Very cool. So you've got some quick guides here. Pretty standard. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. So we'll do that update in a moment. So it looks like you've got a USB-C, you've got the battery, you've got one of the little clamps, little clip, and a little screw for the clip. Alright, and here is the GoPro. Very cool, I like that. Alright, anything else under here? Nope, nothing else. Okay, so step one. Actually, you know what, before we go too far, I'll give you guys a bit of a look around the GoPro. So I'm sure you guys have seen one before, so this is a very similar, well, it's exactly the same as a GoPro HERO 9. Spec-wise, they are very similar, but with the new GoPro HERO 10, it's got a faster processor. It's also got the newest version of Hypersmooth. Cool. And then the SD card. Oh, fail. All right. There we go, so that looks like it's ready to go. So if we just turn it on. So I've plugged the GoPro in for a little bit and charged up the battery. So let's quickly finish our update. Cool, and just like that, the update's done. Using the app, you can preview footage, you can preview what your GoPro can see, you can control the settings in the different modes. It's a really useful application, and obviously you're also able to do updates and things like that using the app. Can't wait to play around with this GoPro a little bit more. I think it's a massive leap from our old GoPro HERO 5, so I'll be shooting a lot more point of view videos and just taking it around with me and taking you guys along for the journey. Alright, and that wraps up today's video. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like the video and share it around. I'll catch you guys next time.